This is a really stressful time for everyone. This is an unknown environment, and we're really having to navigate a lot of uncertainties that we've never seen before.
Developing the processes to shut down and reopen a plant have been very challenging. When we're restarting a plant, we really have to understand, do we have supply from our supply chain? Do we have demand from our customers? And have we taken care of the safety of our people?
So we put in a screening questionnaire that gets asked to all the employees.
Is there someone in your home who's been told they may have COVID and is currently in isolation?
Basically asking them if they have COVID-related symptoms. After you go through that, you are done a temperature scan with a thermal scanner. So every employee has to go through that process. We also hand out masks to each employee.
I think what has impressed me the most is how Cummins really appreciates their workers and that they really try to keep their workers safe.
We needed to have a way to identify the need for personal protective equipment and COVID-related supplies like disinfectants, for example, gloves, masks, etc. And we didn't have a really good way to do that internally at the moment. So we had several functions come together to work together on this global pandemic tracking tool, from HSE, from indirect purchasing, from manufacturing, from IT, from logistics, and many other functions as well, to basically sit down, come up with the set of requirements, and develop a tool over a weekend.
The biggest work-related challenge has been understanding the operational status of the suppliers and making sure that we are getting quality parts into Cummins plants. To navigate through the challenge, we've relied on our partnerships between different functions internally, including the linkages with plant materials group as well as with supplier quality.
It's about a cohesion of functions working collaboratively to keep our operations up and running so we can do our part in the industry and do our part with keeping trucks on the road and the industry such as the food industry and the medical supply industry getting their supplies from point A to point B.
So some of our products actually go into power generation and are used for backup power and standby power for sites like hospitals. So that's been very important for us. It's one of the things that the employees here are prideful about, knowing that the products that they're building could be saving folks' lives.
We may never go back to working the way that we worked before, but there's one thing I know. I know that Cummins will take the experience and will grow, like we do with every other experience that we have.